Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Just decided I wanted to do a fall look today featuring some new makeup. I got my BoxyCharm, a couple of things I picked up in the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale. So let's just get into it, starting with my primer. This is just a Rare Beauty Pore Diffusing Primer that I got in Sephora sample last month. My skincare's on, my eyes are prepped, my brows are on, so all of that is ready to go. Sorry if the fan's bothering you, it's a little bit warm in here still. We're still dealing with some summer heat. Move on to eyes. I got this YC Collection Cream eyeshadow, and the shade is it Neriah? I'm not quite sure, but it looks like a nice, beautiful, like very subtle red tone. I'm not quite sure what I'm doing with my eyes just yet. I think I'm just going to put this on and maybe try to blend it out with a brush. Alright, I'm just going to take this brush here, just try to blend it out. I might just do a basic look and not try to do too much else on the eyes today. Actually, that's really pretty. I always get a bit scared with liquid eyeshadows because I feel like they crease so easy on my eyes, and I haven't figured out why. But let's see. Maybe I'll just do a one and done eyeshadow look today and see. I normally don't do those. I normally like a little bit more definition, but I kind of just want to see how this works today. And quite honestly, I don't feel like doing a whole lot of makeup right now. Just enough to kind of enjoy myself. Maybe should I add another layer? I don't know. Got my mirror right here, so I'm like trying to figure it out. It's a really pretty color though. I think it's like absolutely perfect for fall. Good job, BoxyCharm. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna leave it as is, and if I feel like coming back in with another eyeshadow later, I will. I don't know, I feel like maybe it's not quite even. I feel like this eye's a little bit more, like I feel like it's just not even. I feel like my right eye always turns out better than my left. But it's just, I don't know. I'm gonna add another layer just to try to even it out a little bit. Don't know what to do. Alright, you know what? Forget it. I'm gonna take a shadow from the Urban Decay Stone Vibes palette, and I think I'm just gonna take this one here. Just try to define that, just the outer corner. I don't want to do too much, but I just, you know what? I'm gonna take this one here. I know you can't get this eyeshadow palette anymore, but I've been playing with it again in my collection, and why not? Alright, that adds a little bit more definition. I don't want to go too far with it. I'm going to play with this. I got the JLo That Star filter in my box, so I'm just going to put that all over my face underneath my foundation. So let's just, I haven't played this with this yet. Oh, yeah, I imagine it works just like the glow filters. I don't normally use those, but I like them. Alright, maybe I'll keep it away from the center of my face. That's pretty, it's nice. I think I'm going to go in with just my Rare Beauty. It's like their original foundation. Let's see. I'll try to do a light layer. I want to see how this glow filter peeks through. There we go. I'm going to spray my sponge with the Badescu spray. And again, just lightening it up. That's really pretty. Actually, I really like that. I like how it works with the eyes and all kind of marries each other. I'm actually, like, I'm really impressed. I mean, I don't think I expected to be that impressed, but I'm, like, really impressed right now. Alright, I picked up the Clinique, it's the Even Better Concealer in the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale. I've been testing it out, and I've been loving it. It's very light coverage, but I'm really, like, I've been obsessed with it lately. Let's see, just lightly blend that out. Probably want a little bit more coverage on my face, but again, I just don't feel like doing a whole lot. I haven't been doing makeup near as much lately. I think just after losing the baby and then just trying to get through the whole process of everything in that, makeup has just been one of those things where I've just kind of put to the side and just kind of lightened it up. But I'm really liking how this is turning out today. Probably need to do something on my lower lash line. Do I want to do this, or do I want to do a just a quick like sweep of a powder eyeshadow? You know what? I'm gonna go back to the Stone Vibes palette and then just take that red shade and just do something quick. Take this white shade here and just pop it in the inner corner. Alright, I think that works. That's pretty. That's everyday. Okay, I like that. Got the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is the old packaging. It's still good. I just want to lightly place that all over my face. Chin. I got this Makiage blush in the box, and I'm liking it. I do have to be very light-handed with it, but I think it's just so perfect for fall. And again, just a very light dusting. You know what? I was going to do a highlighter, but I don't think I need it today. I'm just going to leave the face as is. I also got this Eloise powder, which I'm actually really liking. It comes with this cute puff. Just place that right underneath the eyes. So I have actually been doing setting spray before I do lips and mascara. So I picked up the Tarte Stay Spray in the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. That is a tongue twister, and I've been shaking it up really good and spraying. I have to admit, this is not cry proof. I have been crying like crazy. I have been testing this out, so it's like I feel like the ultimate test for a setting spray is if it's cry proof, and unfortunately it's not. But I guess I can't expect too much because I've been crying more tears than I've been not. So I'm also going to go in with the Rare Beauty lipstick. It's like a mini lipstick. I don't even know it's available anymore, but it works. Lastly, I'm going to go in with my Rare Beauty mascara. This is almost out, so I'll use it for the next couple of days and then just call it an empty. And that's the makeup look done. I'm going to go do my hair. I did get the Dry Bar Triple Fix Spray in my BoxyCharm, and I've been really loving that, but I'm really liking how this look is turning out. Anyway, I'm going to go finish my hair, and I will be right back. Alright, here's the final look. I really love how this turned out. It's really pretty, but here's my Dry Bar Triple Fix. I'll just spray my hair. I just straightened it. This really is doing wonders for my hair. I really like the Dry Bar, and I'm liking that they're in BoxyCharm. Anyway, let me smooth that out. Anyway, that's the final look. Thank you for being here. If you're new to my channel, I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle. My goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty, as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. And if that's what you're into, hit that subscribe button. And if not, be so on Instagram, I would love to have you hit that subscribe button. I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.